Welcome to Foxtecc. If your iPad alarm is too quiet and you're barely hearing it, there are a few things you can check to fix the issue. The volume settings for alarms work differently from the regular volume controls, so adjusting the wrong setting might not actually help. Let's go over what you need to do. First, open Settings, go to the Sound section, and increase the ringer and alerts volume. This is the volume level that controls alarms and notifications, and it's separate from the regular volume slider you see in the control center. The volume you adjust for music, videos, or other content won't affect your alarm volume, so make sure you're adjusting the correct one. Another thing to check is the alarm sound itself. Open the Clock app. Tap Edit, select the alarm, and go to the Sound section. Choose a louder sound. Some alarms are naturally quieter than others. Also, make sure the sound option isn't set to none. It's a little strange that this is even an option, because an alarm without sound is basically useless, but if it's set that way, your alarm will go off silently. Next, check if Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is enabled. In most cases, alarms will still bypass these settings, but it's worth making sure they aren't interfering in any way. If the alarm is still too quiet, another possibility is that your iPad speakers might be dirty or clogged. Try cleaning them out carefully or even connecting in as an external speaker to make the alarm louder. If none of this works, restart your iPad and test a different alarm sound to see if the issue continues. A restart can clear up small software glitches that might be affecting the alarm volume. Hopefully one of these solutions helps you get a louder, more reliable alarm. That's all for this one. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPad tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.